What if you could write essays, reports, or even a novel faster than ever before? That's the magic of word processing software. In this video, we'll dive into what it is, how it's used, and why it's a must-have for everyone, from students to CEOs. Stick around, because this could transform the way you work and maybe even go viral. Welcome to PrimeVox Academy, where technology learning is made simple. If you love learning tech, please hit that subscribe button and let's get started. So what exactly is word processing software? It's a digital tool that lets you create, edit, and format text documents with ease. Think of it as a super smart notebook that does way more than pen and paper. Unlike a typewriter, it fixes typos instantly, lets you change fonts, add images, or even collaborate with others in real time. It's like having a personal assistant for all your writing needs. Let's talk use cases. Imagine you're a student racing to finish a history essay. Word processing software helps you organize your thoughts and make it look polished. Professionals use it to craft business proposals or reports that impress clients. Creatives, like scriptwriters or novelists, draft their next big idea. Even small business owners create invoices, marketing plans, or customer letters. Whether it's school, work, or a passion project, this software makes your words shine. Why is word processing software so powerful? First, it saves time. Features like spell check and autosave mean no more rewriting or losing work. Second, it's flexible. You can create anything from a simple to-do list to a 300-page book. Third, it's collaborative. Tools like Google Docs let you share documents with your team, see edits live, and even chat while you work. It's like having your whole crew in one digital room. That's 1 in 5 people on the planet. From students in classrooms to executives in boardrooms, it's everywhere. And get this, the first word processor, WordStar, launched in 1978 and cost $495. Today, you can use tools like Google Docs for free. Talk about a glow up. Ready to try it? Here are the top tools for creating Word documents. Microsoft Word is the industry leader, perfect for professional resumes, reports, or complex layouts. Google Docs is free, cloud-based, and ideal for team projects or quick notes. LibreOffice is a free, open-source option with Word-like features for budget-conscious users. Apple Pages offers a sleek experience for Mac fans, with stunning templates for creative documents. Each one is user-friendly and packed with tools to make your work stand out. Who needs word processing software? Literally everyone, no matter your goal, school, career, or side hustle. These tools boost your productivity and make you look professional. Want to unlock their full potential? We got you covered. Check out our step-by-step practical guide in the description below. It's loaded with tips to master word processing software like a pro in minutes. Whether you're writing your first essay or a business plan, those lessons will save you time and stress. There you have it, the ultimate guide to word processing software. It's your key to faster, smarter, and better-looking documents. Which tool are you excited to try? Microsoft Word, Google Docs, LibreOffice, or Pages? Drop in the comments, and let's start a conversation. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech tips from PrimeVox Academy. Don't miss our practical guide in the description box. Until next time, keep learning.